All right, so now we've made our comic. You've made it, you like it, and by the way, if you want to add more to your comic, you have these plus, you can add up to 18 panels. So when you finish your comic, and I finished mine, I'm going to throw this football, then a little run, then I'm going to spray water on my head like this. I'm pretty proud of my comic. So anyway, once you've finished, it's real easy to save. There's a button right here, and it says save. Okay, and you got print, email, or save, and then retrieve, which I think you have to create an account. I'm not exactly sure how that works, so I might look into that and then tell you more. But I'm gonna click save, and it says sign in to save online. So you could actually create an account and save it. But so I've saved it, and now I'm gonna go down here, and it says review your comic, go back and edit, or create a new comic, save. You can print or save an image of your comic to keep or share. New, you can save your comic online to edit later with a free optional account. I'm gonna save image to disk, okay? This way I can save it to my own computer, and in this case my students can do this, so I'm going to click save image to disk, and then I'm going to save it. I always tell my students save it to your H drive. We've actually created a folder, so if you were going to write a lot of comics, I would make a folder specifically called comics, and then you can give it a name. So you're going to give it a name. In my class, you're going to use your period number, so this is period 3, so I'd write 3, and then my last name, you would put your last name, and then maybe the name of your comic, Football Girl in this case, and I click save, and it downloaded the image. Now if I you'll see I'm going to just click on show in folder so I can make sure it got there, and there it is, and you can see it's in my comics folder, and if I double click and open it up, there's my comic. It looks awesome. It actually looks really, really cool. And it's a free tool, so please use this. Make your comics, share them with me. I'd love to see what you come up with, and have a great day. Be creative.